Welcome to the SNAP 2024 Registration Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through each step of the process to ensure your registration is smooth and successful. Start by visiting the official website, www.snaptest.org. Once on the website, click on the Apply for Symbiosis MBA via SNAP 2024. You'll be directed to the login and registration page. Here, click on Register to start the process. Next, you'll see the Terms and Conditions page. It's important to read through all the terms carefully. After you've read them, click the checkbox to agree, then hit Continue. Now you'll need to fill in your details on the registration information page. Be sure to provide accurate information, including your name, date of birth, mobile number, and email address. Use an active mobile number and email, as you'll receive all further communication, including OTPs, through them. Next, select the relevant category, nationality, and whether you're an NRI student. You can now choose from up to 3 SNAP test dates based on your preference. After selecting the test dates, choose the city where you'd like to take the test. Check for available slots, and if none are available in your preferred city, choose the next best location. Now, upload a current passport-sized photograph. Ensure that it's recently taken within the last 6 months. Once you're sure all the details are accurate, click the box to confirm and then Save and Continue. You'll now receive an OTP on your registered mobile number and email address. Enter the OTP in the box provided. If you don't receive it, click Resend OTP. Once entered, click Submit. After verifying your OTP, you'll receive your SNAP ID. Click to proceed to payment. On the payment page, select your preferred payment gateway and the number of test attempts you want to pay for. Then select Click Here to Pay. A confirmation box will appear at the top. Click Done to proceed to the payment gateway. Fill in your payment details. Select your preferred mode of payment and complete the transaction. You're now registered for SNAP 2024. Now that you're registered for SNAP 2024, it's time to select and register for the Institute S and programs of your choice. You'll first be directed to update your personal details, including your work experience and academic qualifications. After that, you'll need to fill in the programs you want to apply for, along with your address. Be sure to review the auto-filled information for accuracy before proceeding. Once you're confident everything is correct, press Save and Continue. You'll then be redirected to the payments page for your selected program, SES. Here you can choose your preferred payment gateway, cross-check the programs you've selected, and press Click Here to Pay. After completing the payment, your application process is done. Congratulations, you're all set. Good luck with your SNAP journey and all the best for your future.